Welcome to Microsoft Teams. As soon as you log in with your organizational account, the first thing you'll be presented with is the activity screen. There's nothing much to see here at the moment, except for your picture on the top right. Clicking this will allow you to change your settings, including which video and audio device you are using at the moment. Once you click into the Chat tab, you'll see a bar at the top. You can search for users inside and outside your organization to allow you to chat to them, or even use that button over there to call them or do an instant video call with them. Under the Teams tab, you'll have the option there to currently chat in a team, if you're in one, to create a team, which is shown, and you can either join a team with a code or create an entirely new one with whichever users you so wish. In the Calendar tab, you create meetings. Users in these meetings can be inside and outside your organization. They don't need to have a Teams license and anyone can join. The Calls tab allows you to call your most recent contacts and to set speed dials. The Files tab shows the files you've edited recently in the SharePoint and your own recent OneDrive, even the files you've accessed in Teams.